Yep, I bought a boat, and that is it right behind me. Now, this is going to be something I bring to the channel. We're going to be fixing it up, but right now, let's go back to the future where it all began. All right, I've got some exciting news that we're going to be bringing in. Now, this is going to be probably a multi-part series, along with all the other stuff that I've been doing at home as well. So it's not just solely going to be this, but right now I'm in the car with my brother. Morning. I'm down in Sydney and we're going up to check it out. So go and grab yourself some snacks, a beer, whatever you want to have, coffee, and let's get into it. Well, I guess you can see we're in the boatyard and this is what I've bought. So it is a 23-foot Bertram Carrabien. So it's down here in Sydney. It's been transported back up now into Queensland. This is going to be into the channel. I'm going to slowly chip away at it. It's not going to be every video, but it's going to be good just to sort of get some stuff done on this thing anyway. So if this is something you want to see, comment down below. But this is going to be added to the channel as well. So I hope you guys enjoy it. All right, so we've finally got the trailer. We're down here at Express Boat Transport. We're about to load it on and take the boat home finally. Alright guys, we are finally home with the boat. Now it's been a long 2 weeks. Transport of it was actually really fast, but it was just more waiting for the trailer. But we have it home and now we can actually start cleaning it up and deciding what we want to do with it and tidying it up. I'll probably clean the prop up as well, take it for a spin this weekend, see how it performs, and then we can go from there. Anyway, so first things first, let's bust out the gurney and let's give this thing a spray. So I've taken the prop off the boat and we're going to give it a good clean up so we can get all these barnacles off so we have no vibration and it won't be unbalanced. So I'll get the wire wheel out and let's get cleaning. Okay, so we are at the present day and we are finally home and this is it. So we're going to be fixing this up, we're going to be tidying it, probably going to rip out all the carpet, going to be redoing some of the timber, the kitchen, putting the fridge in it, a battery system, well full 12 volt system I should say, and this is going to be the perfect family boat to head over to sort of Tangalooma and also further trips in the future. So let me just show you a little bit around the boat now and hopefully you're going to enjoy it. If you do, comment below what you think I should do to it. Yeah, tell me what you think. Okay, starting at the back of the boat. This is a 4.3 litre Mercruiser fuel injected. We got plenty of height here, nice good depth in the boat. Moving to the back here, you've got some bait boxes, live fish wells, both sides. Moving up the front, obviously a seat here which can turn around. This will probably all come out. I'm going to remodel all this and reupholster all the seats as well. You've got this kitchen which is probably going to come out. I'm going to redo all this. I've got a 12 volt fridge going in along with a new sink and probably just a portable stove. Got the helm up here. This is probably going to stay same layout, but I might just freshen up the timber work around it, make it custom dash. Don't know yet. But anyway, we've got the Raymarine fish finder. We've got this open up. Might not be able to do this one-handed, but there you go. It's a little bit messy in here from transport, but let me just open up this. Plenty of room up the nose there. Now I can fully lie out, like I'm not the tallest guy, but yeah, I can fully lie out in the morning, flat in there, so that's pretty good. We've got small storage cupboards underneath. All the carpet's probably going to come up, as I said. I'm going to be changing that with a nice sort of EVA foam. Let me know what colours. I have ordered some, which I'm going with the grey floor, but What do you think I should do with all these outside parts with carpet? Comment down below and let me know what you think. Up top here we've got the rocket launchers for the fishing rods. You can stand up with this, obviously the non-fly bridge. Nice little hatch as well, and you can walk up the front as well. So nice good sized boat. It's going to be really safe out in choppy weather, and really looking forward to it. So also I need to service the outdrive as well. Probably give it a nice good fresh coat of paint. It does have anti-foul all over it, but this boat has been sitting in the water for a long time, so yeah, it's going to be nice to sort of give this a nice new fresh life. So we've got the back of the boat here with obviously the outdrive. So it is obviously looking like it's been in the water for a long time, so this all needs a good clean up. I do have a service kit for it as well, so I'm going to put all new anodes on it. All the trim tabs work. I'm going to be making a custom swim platform as well, probably out of aluminium. It's going to be probably stick out a lot further and go across the back of the boat, just so I've got something better to stand on. And I'll probably redo the ladder as well, where it might actually tuck underneath the swim platform just to get it out of the way. So anyway, this is it. Anyway guys, that is the boat, and that is what is going to be coming into this channel along with all my other projects. So if this is something you do want to watch, hit the like, comment down below, tell me what you think I should do to it. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this one. It's a little bit different to what I normally do, but if you did, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.